Hello, this is Brandon Wee with Herbert-ABS with another Learning Series video. In this video, we'll be going over some batch damage case generation tools in HECSTAB to help replicate existing damage stability analyses. If you're trying to recreate or bring in an existing damage stability analysis to HECSTAB, you likely already have an existing set of damage cases to work with. One approach here would be to manually create each damage case by hand by using the add child to add damage cases, and then damaging them within the loads panel. For especially long damage stability analysis, this can be quite tedious. HECSTAB provides some batch damage case generation tools to help speed up this process. First, to open it, we'll go up to the Tools ribbon bar, and then toward the right side, select the Analysis Packages option. This will open a pop-up with the list of available analysis packages. The one we'll be working with today is the damage case generation tools. And to open it, we can select the checkbox under the Open column next to it. When doing so, we get a new ribbon with the damage case generation tools, with the list of both analysis templates as well as simpler commands that are included with the package. For today's tutorial, we'll be going over the export and import of the batch damage template. We'll start by exporting the batch damage template to show what it does. When I click this option, I get the Windows Save dialog to save a CSV, which I'll just call our damage cases. After that's saved, it will typically open in the default program to use CSVs, usually Microsoft Excel. You can see in the exported template, we get a column with all of the compartments on our ship, going down in the first column, the corresponding group, and then we get our damage case names running along the top row. The usage of this template is to create damage cases by name in the first row and put X's in the corresponding column next to compartments that are damaged for that case. For instance, I can mark for case 1 the number 1 diesel oil port and the number 1 fuel oil port as part of my first damage case. Then moving on to the second column, I can mark the starboard side compartments. And we can keep going and adding damage cases for each of these ones that are listed by marking X's again in the corresponding row and column for the compartment and damage case that we're working with. If we need to add more cases, we can simply keep working across the row. And finally, just delete the last empty instruction text. So to finish this off with case 5, I'll mark maybe just final single compartment damage there. After that's done, we can save our CSV, close it, and return back to HECSTAB. After that's done, we can now use the import batch damage command, select our CSV, and now in HECSTAB, we get, under our start condition, the 6 damage cases I defined, with the number 1 port, fuel oil and diesel oil tanks, the corresponding starboard tanks, 1 and 2 starboard ballast, the same port tanks, and then finally the single compartment damages. That's all for this video. If you'd like to learn more, you can visit our website at www.herbert-abs.com or email us info@herbert-abs.com. Thanks for watching.